Have you ever found yourself into a situation wherein you got products, you got services, but you seem to not be able to find the right target market? Or you're just being flustered with a lot of competitors in the marketplace? Or your target seems to be too high that you really don't know whether it's realistic? Why not stop the guessing and start the learning? On November 26 and 27, I'd like to personally invite you to join us in a very exclusive and customized program called the Mini MBA of Marketing. This program is both for people who are into marketing and who are not into marketing. But it's for people who would like to know and better understand how to become effective in the way you promote your products and services. So if you're a marketing person or a non-marketing person, if you're a salesperson or a non-salesperson, as long as you feel that you have products and services that you'd like to promote out there, why not join us? This is a very exclusive program where we bring in the learnings of like attending an MBA. That's why it's called a mini MBA. We bring in the theories and explain it in practical sense. Something that you can relate to and something that you can apply. I am Ricky De Vera, Certified International Training from the Singapore Training Institute, Consultant of the Department of Trade and Industry, and Vice President of the Philippine Marketing Association. We definitely would like to see you on November 26 and 27 at the Astoria Plaza. Remember, Mini MBA for marketing, non-marketers and marketing professionals. It's a once-in-a-lifetime offering, so why not join us? Don't miss it. It's this year. I'll see you.